Class 1 students are going to recite the nursery rhyme Bounce, Catch. Class 1, please start.
Attention! We are going to recite a poem called Bounce Catch. 1, 2, 3. Bounce Catch, bounce catch, we want to see you. Bounce Catch, bounce catch, never let it fall. So high, we are so high. Someone broke the bone, someone broke the bone. What is not your enemies? What is not your enemies? Sit down and go hard. Don't let your hands go clap, clap, clap. Don't let your feet go tap, tap, tap. Don't let your hands go